Cooking is an art, and having the right tools makes all the difference. If you're tired of pans that stick, scratch, or fail to deliver consistent results, it's time to upgrade to the Deluxe Hybrid Nonstick Fry Pan Set 5-piece. This versatile cookware set, featuring 8-inch, 10-inch, and 12-inch frying pans with glass lids, is a game-changer for both novice and seasoned cooks. It offers the perfect blend of functionality, durability, and style, making it a must-have for every modern kitchen. Unique shaped surface and scratch-resistant technology. What sets the Deluxe skillets apart is their innovative hybrid surface design. The unique raised stainless steel pattern not only enhances food release, but also ensures that your dishes don't stick to the pan. Unlike traditional non-stick pans that require babying, this set lets you use metal utensils without worrying about scratches. Say goodbye to the frustration of peeling coatings and hello to effortless cooking. With this pan, you'll enjoy the best of both worlds: the convenience of a non-stick surface and the durability of stainless steel. Whether you're flipping pancakes, searing steak, or cooking delicate fish, this hybrid surface ensures flawless results every time. Exceptional heat distribution with stay-cool handles. The Deluxe fry pans are engineered with Tri-ply construction, featuring an aluminum core sandwiched between two layers of stainless steel. This design guarantees even heat distribution and precise temperature control, making every cooking session a success. From achieving the perfect golden crust to gently simmering sauces, these pans deliver consistently excellent results. Another standout feature is the stay-cool handles. Even on a high flame, the handles remain cool to the touch, ensuring safety and comfort. No need for pot holders or oven mitts, even on a gas stove. It's these thoughtful details that make cooking with the Deluxe set a joy. Versatility across all cooktops. One of the biggest advantages of the Deluxe Hybrid Nonstick Fry Pan Set is its unmatched compatibility. Whether you're using induction cooktops, gas stoves, ceramic stovetops, or electric stoves, these pans perform flawlessly. Additionally, the set is oven-safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, allowing for seamless transitions from stovetop to oven. This versatility means you can fry, sauté, bake, and even simmer in the same pan. Imagine browning chicken on the stove and finishing it in the oven, all without needing extra cookware. The PFOA-free design ensures safe cooking for your family, making it a healthier choice for your kitchen. Easy cleaning with dishwasher-safe convenience. Nobody enjoys scrubbing cookware after a meal. The Deluxe pans make cleanup a breeze with their dishwasher-safe construction. Even if you prefer hand washing, these pans are designed to release food effortlessly. For stubborn bits, simply deglaze the pan with water or stock while it's still warm, and you're good to go. The tough, quality manufacturing ensures that these pans can withstand abrasive cleaning tools without losing their shine or performance. Investing in the Deluxe set means less time cleaning and more time enjoying your meals. The perfect gift for every occasion. Looking for the perfect gift for a home chef or newlywed couple? The Deluxe Hybrid Nonstick Fry Pan Set is a thoughtful choice. Its premium quality, stylish design, and versatility make it ideal for anyone who loves cooking. Whether it's a housewarming, anniversary, or holiday gift, this set is bound to impress and delight. Why you should choose the Deluxe Hybrid Nonstick Fry Pan Set. This cookware set isn't just about frying pans, it's about elevating your cooking experience. Here are the key reasons to choose Deluxe. Durable and scratch-resistant. Perfect for daily use without worrying about wear and tear. Effortless food release. Cook with minimal oil for healthier meals. Even heat distribution. Enjoy consistent cooking results every time. Compatible with all stovetops. Works with induction, gas, electric, and ceramic. Oven safe and dishwasher friendly. A true multitasker in the kitchen. Final thoughts. The Deluxe Hybrid Nonstick Fry Pan Set is more than just cookware. It's a game changer for your kitchen. Its unique hybrid surface, exceptional heat distribution, and user-friendly design make it an investment you won't regret. Whether you're an experienced cook or just starting your culinary journey, this set will enhance your skills and make cooking more enjoyable. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.